Hey guys, we're here on Shri Place.
And today is a very exciting day because both of us made Spike a new friend. It's a cockatiel made out of Legos.
I made one too. That's my brother's, and this is mine. The wing can spring up. Mine, which is this one, is a cockatiel and it's made out of Legos, and it's a mother. It pretty much looks like one from the view. And the wings go up and down. Ouch, I think something fell. The wings could go up and down like this, and they could turn like this for the wings to have more space like that. And then we have this huge soft fur on the back. It has soft as Spike. Yeah. He doesn't want us touching him. We think our cockatiel builds are pretty good.
And now I'm just gonna put it in Spike.
So now this is my current cockatiel. Look at him. He almost I can't let this Spike. So that is pretty much it. What I can. Okay, guys. So if you want to build the same cockatiel that I built, here are some of the parts. I'm not gonna teach you how to build them. So here's some of the wings you could use. Here's the head. This is a tail supporter. This is the fur with the tail right there. And then these are the legs. This is part of the fur. Right there. And this is the body, which I can't really teach you how to build because it's too many complex pieces and I might forget how to do it. Oh my god. Spike. It's like a key. So here are some of the... This is the body, this is the back, this is the head, these are part of the body, this is a tail supporter, wings, the legs. So now, if you built all of these, here's how you connect them. Let's just take these two. Don't eat the peacock feathers. Oh, good. The tails you might have to rip off. Look at Spike. Spike, could you stop doing that? You know. Sorry, Spike. And the wings will connect them to these little claws here. It's making a mess. Thank you. Always makes a mess. Head on the front. Right here. And before I go on, here's a good look at the bottom. Here's everything. Now I'm just gonna press the legs on. And that is how you connect all of it to make your cockatiel. It's gonna put the wings. Done. So this is my brother's. This is my Shri's. And leave in the comments down below whose cockatiel you like better. Remember, put the comments in. Wait, this is that way here. You have to know, don't you? Don't bite my finger. You're supposed to bite the lid. No, don't pounce. He's on my cockatiel. No, he's not. You're gonna open this or not? You're gonna open it. Inside delicious melon. That's how I feel open it. Oh, he did it! Now I get to it! I think he wants my finger instead. Okay, see what he does with the other. Go on, what are you gonna do with it? What are you doing? Oh, he wants it. He's gonna push it. flap attack. Here's a millet spike. Serve it. You earned it. Don't do that. In a protection helmet. He is not deserving release. Okay guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to this video, like and share with everyone you know. And make sure to comment down below whose cocktail you like better.